Good afternoon, fellow members.
Good afternoon.
So today we are going to discuss about the components of a work plan. So before we start our discussion of today, I would like us to highlight why do we need this work plan and what are the main goals of this work plan as a trainer.
Okay, so we need this work plan for accessibility and flexibility. And our goal again is to digitalize learning content.
Yes.
And the set goals to digitalize learning content, set goals, lay out objective and deliverables.
Exactly. So we set goals, we lay out the deliverables here. So without wasting time, we have to highlight the components of our work plan. What might be the components of our work plan?
Okay. Let's look at the task, one of the components.
Yes.
Task.
Yes.
So you have the activities to be done.
Yes.
You have the building of trainers, digital learning capacity. Then you have the mobilization of digital content, development resources.
Okay.
Then you have training, identification design, and then lastly, repair training program.
Exactly. So that's our first component. Yes, the next component.
Okay, we have the second component, that's resources.
Yes.
So we can get resources from funds, or list of trainees we have.
Okay. Exactly. The third might be.
Okay, let's look at the timelines.
Yes.
Here we have curriculum coverage, either in 2 months or 3 months period.
Exactly.
Yes.
Depending on how you have organized yourself as a trainer.
Yeah.
Then the fourth one.
The risk that we may face as trainers is that there could be lack of resources.
Yes.
And again, change in school calendar or curriculum. This will affect our operations.
Exactly. So when we are coming up with a work plan, we must highlight the resources, or we must be adhering to the school calendar or the curriculum. Like right now we are doing CBET. Then the last one, maybe which one I may add, is the product. After now you have implemented all these components of this work plan, you must come up with the product. You execute, evaluate, if the trainees have that capacity of using it. Because we are going with it is in a format of digitalized area. Are they able to access? For those who have the challenges, we will assist that students. Now these were the components as we highlighted. So we have highlighted the need, we have said this for accessibility and flexibility. Then you set the goals and lay out your objectives clearly. Now the first component related is the task. We said under here, you must highlight the activities. You must build trainers' digital learning capacity if they are able to use the laptop and the other gadgets. Then you must encounter what we call the bulk. This is whereby there are those learners who are visual, who are auditory, who are read and write, then there are those who are kinesthetic. Then the third one, there is timelines. The curriculum coverage will be either in 2 months' time or 3 months' time, depending on your setting. Then the fourth one, you must highlight for the risks. The resources, you might lack the resources or changing school curriculum. Then the last one is the product. Now you have implemented it, you execute and do what is called tracing. Thank you so much for today's discussion. I would like to welcome you another day. Welcome.